welcome to the San Francisco School of Copywriting, Copywriting to Go mini course of pro tips with me, Amanda Caswell. I am the founder of AdBuzz PR, an advertising and public relations agency in New Jersey. I use these pro tips all the time with clients like Keurig, Coca-Cola, Papa John's, fashion companies, wellness companies, and many more. So let's get to the next pro tip number 9, back up your claims. Utilize facts and statistics, even testimonies from satisfied customers, to help get your point across. The more proof you have, the faster you'll win over the skeptics. So try to gather as much as you can before you dive into the advertising copy, and you will find yourself with a lot of great stuff to share with potential consumers. Next pro tip, mention the most important point at least 3 times. For tips like this and more, sign up for Copywriting 101, that's the fundamentals, or if you're more advanced, sign up for Copywriting 201, my master class. You can find these classes at San Francisco School of Copywriting.com. See you next time for the last pro tip.